Have you ever seen this in Dorico, with staff lines crashing into each other? Maybe when importing music XML or just adding more players and instruments to your project. It's because the page size is too small, or the staff size is too big, or both. It's easy to fix. This is a problem with the layout, so we want layout options, which you can find in the library menu by using the key command Ctrl-Shift-L, that's Command-Shift-L on Mac, or simply hitting J to open the jump bar, typing layout options, and hitting return. On the left, we want to choose the page setup category, and on the right, we want to make sure the correct layout is chosen. It defaults to the one you were looking at when you open the dialog. From here, we can choose a new page size or define our own. For this orchestral music, I'm going to choose A3. And we can reduce the space size, which refers to the space between staff lines, to make the stave smaller. You can use any measurement you like, but the standard use here is rastral size, with a higher rastral size equating to a smaller staff size. Hit apply, and now your score looks spot on.